Okay, Manal. So, Manal, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, first of all, we will be doing the examples. Okay. And then we'll be doing the theorems and then we'll be doing the exercise. Okay. This is how we'll be doing the things. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, listen to it very carefully. Right? So, what is our first? What this is saying, given an arc of a circle, C, complete the circle. Okay, this is very obvious one. You will quickly write it down along with, like, I'll just give you one minute for every question. You have to just write it down. Okay, let me just like first of all explain you, then you will write it down. So over here they are saying, given an arc of circle, complete the circle. So a arc is given to you. Okay, so let arc PQ of a circle is given. This P and Q, this is given to you, this one. Okay, and you have to make it an entire circle. So how you are going to do? First of all, to complete the circle, we have to find the center and the radius, right? If you have the center and radius, only then you can complete the circle, right? Because circle is based on your radius or the center. Clear? So
Yes, ma'am.
what you will do? First step will be, take a point R on the arc. Let's just take a point R on the arc and then join PR and RQ. Now join this P, take this point P and join PR and RQ. I hope this is clear, right? Arc is
Yes, ma'am.
given to you. You will take a point R and now this point is P. This PQ is a arc. So now you will join this and this, right? Now we know that the perpendicular bisector of a chord through the center, so we construct perpendicular bisector of the this. So whenever you have a line, when we make perpendicular bisector like this, right? This means that this perpendicular bisector is dividing the circle, dividing the line into two equal parts, right? And you get the center. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So now what we are going to do? We are going to take this PR, right? And then we are going to do the perpendicular bisector. So you got a point here. This is new one. So take a compass with the point P and pointly end and R as the pencil end of the compass. Mark arc and arc this. So draw R as pointly and the P pencil and the compass. Join the point intersected by the arc, the line joined by the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Okay. Now this is what you did. Now again you are going to take this RQ and do the perpendicular bisector of this. This. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then wherever these join the point intersected by the arc, the line joined by the perpendicular bisector of RQ, the line point where the two perpendicular bisector intersect is the center of the circle. So where this perpendicular bisector are intersecting, this point is your center. Mark it as point O and join OP. Now what you have to do, remember, listen to it very carefully, join OP, right, and OQ. Now this OP and your OQ, they are radius, right? Now
Yes, ma'am.
this is your center. You will open, for example, this is 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is your center now. You will open your compass to 4 centimeter and you will draw a circle. Clear? With O as pointly end, the P pencil and end of the compass, make a circle. This given circle is a required circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll just explain it again. Okay. What you have to do, first of all, you will make a arc. This P and Q. Clear? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what you have to do, you have to take a point over here. Let's just take the point R. Clear? Now join this PQ, PR and OR. Right? Then after this, what you have to do, taking PQ, right? Draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Let's just take this. Okay. And similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector of RQ. Let's just make it like this. Dash, 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 dash. So wherever, then join this perpendicular. So wherever these perpendiculars are intersecting, mark this O. Okay. Now after this, join this PO and this OQ. This PO is your radius. Okay. Take this radius, take the circle, open your compass, like measure it, open your compass accordingly, and then draw a circle. Complete it. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you tell me what we have to do. I will solve it accordingly. See, you don't have to go for this language. You have to make your own language. You don't have to write whatever is written over here. So first of all, tell me what I am supposed to do.
Ma'am, make an arc.
Wait a minute. Just mark it accordingly. Okay. Okay. I just made a mark. Tell me the marking as well.
Ma'am, PQ
Hmm.
with point R on it.
Okay.
And then, ma'am, we will join PR
Hmm.
and then RQ.
Hmm.
And then we'll make a perpendicular bisector of PR
Hmm.
and then of RQ.
Okay.
And then we'll extend them and we'll mark a point O.
Hmm.
And then we'll join PO
Hmm.
and OQ.
Hmm.
And we'll complete the circle.
Okay. Then you have to write this line. The line point where the two perpendicular bisect intersect is the center. Mark is then join this. See this. You have to mention this. OP and OR. They are the radius of the circle, right? So putting O, like pointing the taking O as center and PR or OP, sorry, OR or OP as a center. Oh, sorry, radius. Draw a circle. Complete the circle. Clear? This you have to mention. Now this your OP and OR. They are the radius, na? This is the center. These are the radius. This and this. Right? Right? This one and this one. Yes? Manal, can you hear me? Manal. Manal, can you hear me? No, yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah. Manal, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you now.
Okay. So now you have to mention this line that taking O as center and PO and OQ, whatever you want as this radius, we will complete the circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what you are going to do, I'm just giving you 2 minutes. Quickly do it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can take help from here if you want to take help. Others, you know the English story, how to make it. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. You will just write it first. You will write it here, given. Okay, nothing is given. So you'll just start from here.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Manal, you are done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now we will be doing the next one. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manal, you have to join from next time. You have to join on time. Why? Because I have some other class and we won't be able to complete the things. Are you
Yes, ma'am,
available
I'm done.
tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Tomorrow morning time?
Yes, ma'am, absolutely.
Okay, so because tomorrow I have some event, so I won't be able to take your evening class, but in the morning I'm also available, so I can take your morning class. So I'll just drop your text accordingly. You can join. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Yes,
in
ma'am,
case
thank
if
you.
possible, I'll take your 2 hour class and we'll finish this chapter over there,
Okay, ma'am.
right? So that you have a good material to study, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll
Yes, ma'am.
just try to finish it. This. Let's just see. Okay, before doing this, I just want to make you like there are few things which you need to keep in mind. This first one, it's not important, but like it's basically it will not come in your exam, right? But it was important to cover all other things. So example 2, example 3, example 4. Example 3 is very, very important. You can mark in this your book. Example 5 is also very, very important. And example 6 is also very, very important. Like others are also important, but these are the most important examples. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can quickly, if you want to write on the first page, like over here, you can, or if you want to mark in your book, you can. Example 3, example 5, and example 6. They are most important. Okay?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Now let's just start with the example number 2. Example number 2, very, very important. Again, not that much, but yeah, important. If what they are saying, first read it. Over here, every time you have to write given, means whatever is given in the question, right? And then what you have to prove, and then construction if there is any, and then proof, right? So they are saying if two intersecting chord. Now, ma'am, what is chord? Chord is basically, for example, this, right? If a circle is passing like this, right? This line, this was the thing. This is the line that it is touching the two part, right, of the circle. That is a chord. This is the center. For example, this is AB. So this is a chord. Clear? But if this line passes through the center, it is known as diameter. Clear? And
Yes,
when
ma'am.
it is not passing from center and it is touching one part and the other part of the circle, then it is a chord. Clear? But for example, this is a circle. This is a line. It is only touching the circle at one point. This is tangent. Okay. I hope you got 3 lines, 3 words, which is tangent means it is touching the circle at only one point. Right? Chord,
Yes,
it
ma'am.
is touching the circle at 2 points, 1 and 2. Diameter, it is touching the circle again at 2 points, but it is passing from the center, right? So, though it is touching the circle at 2 points, but it is not known as chord. Why? Because it is passing from center. Clear? You can quickly write it down, or you can quickly just make it like this on your first, like on your notebook. For example, this is your notebook. Make it here, the black space, margin.
Okay, ma'am.
And then we'll start with the question number 2.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, now let's just start. Example 2 is saying if two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angle with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. Clear? So let's just start. See, it's saying let A, B and CD to be the two chords. This AB and CD. They are intersecting at this point, right? So at point E, PQ is the diameter. This P and Q. See, again it is touching 2 points, but it is passing from the center. So that's why it is a diameter. Okay. Then AB, this AB and CD makes equal angle with diameter PQ. So that means this angle AEQ. This angle, right, is equals to angle DEQ. This angle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you have to prove that AB is equals to this AB is equals to your CD. Clear? So what you have to do over here, we will draw OL, which is this OL perpendicular to AB. Clear? And we will draw OM, which is perpendicular to CD. Clear? Then we'll start with proving. So what you are going to prove? Now you have this triangle. This triangle. Can you see it? This triangle? Small triangle,
Yes, ma'am.
right? And then this triangle. Clear? Now you have to prove that this triangle is equals to this triangle. So let's just start. Okay. First of all, OLE, this is a triangle, and OME, this is a triangle. So over here, OLE and OME, they both are 90-degree angle.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is equal. Then OEL, this and OEM, they both are equal because it is given in the question itself, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then this OE and OE, they both are common. So you have 3 points. You can say, and we have 3 points now. So we can say that this triangle is, congruent to this triangle by AAS congruence rule. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then after this, you can say, ma'am, yes, now we can say that this OL is equals to OM, right? By CPCT. Right? Because these, when you prove any two triangle congruent, after that each and every part of this triangle will be equal. So now these two triangles are congruent. So you can say, yes, ma'am, this and this lines, their sides are going to be equal by CPCT. Clear? So
Yes,
here,
ma'am.
OL is the distance of the chord AB from the center, and OM is the distance of the chord CD from the center. Okay. So since OL and OM, they are equal, then the chord AB and CD are equidistant from the center, right? So that's why AB is equals to CD. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And then hence proved. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you will quickly write it down, right? Same like given and everything. Example number 2 is it. And tomorrow before starting, we will do the theorems, and after that we will again start with the examples. Okay?
Okay,
So till
ma'am.
then you can note this down.
But since my classes are all for alternate days, ma'am, I won't have class on Saturday, ma'am.
Yeah, if I'll take it tomorrow, then I'll just postpone it on Saturday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Because somewhere you will have a good material to study,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So like that.
Okay, ma'am.
Because I think it's become difficult for you to join at 5:30, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? IST 5:30 becomes difficult because you come from school and all that, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So Saturday will be off at your place as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I will do tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will join regularly, right? And then you have your class on Tuesday. No,
Yes, ma'am.
Tuesday,
Ma'am,
Monday,
ma'am, Tuesday.
Tuesday. So on that day you can skip. Okay, because that will be early for you. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please scroll down?
Hane, you can wait for 2 more minutes. Okay. Then we'll start. Others will join in between. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay. Okay, Manal. We'll meet tomorrow and we'll